Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all?
Fine.
Okay, good morning everyone.
Yes, miss.
The voice is clear, my dear everyone.
Yes.
Okay, good job. Let all the students join the class. Still 1 minute is left. After that, I'll be starting the class. Clear, my dear? I'm waiting all the students to join the class. Still students are joining. Abhiha joined. Viti, why don't you log in with your own name? Next time, I will not allow students who are not joining with their own name. Who is CC? Viti, what is this? Sinan, log in with your own name, bete. When you enter ID, below the ID, the option is there to write your own name. When you connect to Zoom, at that time, the option appear to write your own name. So over there, try to write your own name. Don't log in with the chat ID or any sort of name. Go. Okay, go now. Go, Batu. Take it. Okay. Sinan, kindly start the Quranic verses. After that, I'll be starting the class. Sinan, better recite any short surah. Then after that, I'll be starting the. Unmute yourself, Sinan. Sinan, unmute yourself. Okay, Shahraza, you will start reciting any Quranic verses. Am I audible to you all? Yes. Am I audible? All of you unmute yourself.
Yes, miss, I can hear you.
Okay. Am I audible now?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Better kindly recite the Quranic. Danish, better sit properly. Be attentive, dear. Now start the Quranic verses and let me start the class. I think most of the students joined the class. Sinan, unmute yourself. Now, bete, start the Quranic verses.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم العصر إن الإنسان لفي خسر إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر صدق الله العظيم.
Jazakallah bete, subhanallah. Okay. Now I'm starting my class. I want everyone, I'm muting all of you because I have to complete the whole lecture. Then I'll be giving time to you to speak. Is this clear?
Okay.
Okay. In the last topic, we did letter writing. That was first topic of creative writing, which we did. We did in detail. I hope the topic was clear to you. Now we are starting the grammar first topic, parts of speech. Letter writing we have done in writing, and now I'm starting grammar first topic, word classes, parts of speech. Okay, I'm sharing the screen. First of all the students with your name, write present teacher in chat. I want all the students do that. Write your name like Sinan of 5, green, present teacher. Yesterday, few students did not do that. So please do it. Do message me with your name. Reja 5, green, present teacher. Munta 5, green, present teacher. Do this, please. Okay, Assalamu alaikum, Rahim. You're joining late. You're 5 minutes late, bete. Try to be punctual and join the class on time. All the students should do that. Aryan, please do it. Abia, Imran, Humaira bete, Muntaha, Sinan, Amsal. Write the name and write present teacher in chat. Zayan, please bete, Yusra. Do it, bete. Danish, Amna Sheikh, Shahraza, Abdullah Danish. Both the Danish, do it, please. Reja, Dania, Rafe. Kindly, bete, write with your name and write present teacher. Mohammad Moiz, do it, bete. And all of you, please open the video of yours. Mohammad Saqib, please. Anaya, Rahim, open the video. Everyone should open the video and everyone should write present teacher. No one will miss it. Write present teacher and do write your name. Yes, Asghar, you are 6 minutes late. Be punctual, my dear. Okay, write your name, write present teacher. Everyone should write it. Okay, I'm sharing the screen. Is it visible? Okay, wait. Okay, I'm sharing the screen. Look at this. Our today's topic is word classes, parts of speech. Parts of speech is also a word class. What is that? It's word class. For example, how a word is used in sentence. For example, what is the major function of the word and the meaning and how I'm grammatically using the word in the sentence. So it is described by parts of speech. What it does, it describes how a word is used in a sentence. For example, grammatically, I'm using it as noun, I'm using it as verb, I'm using it as adjective, I'm using it as verb, as preposition, conjunction, or interjections. Is this clear to all of you?
Yes.
Every single word belongs to a class. That is a word class. Clear? We also call it parts of speech. What do we call it? Parts of speech.
Parts of speech.
Yes, my dear. So there are 8 main parts of speech: nouns, pronouns, adjectives, verb, adverbs, preposition, conjunction, and interjections. We will do this in detail, all the parts of speech, and I'll be giving you assignment from your worksheet set. You have to do the worksheet number 1. That is about parts of speech. Am I clear? Whole lecture I'll be mailing you through University. This lecture you will get from University. So no need to worry about writing the lecture and each and everything. You will be getting from University. Right now you have to understand the complete lecture, my dear. Am I clear? This I'll be providing you through University. When I will submit your homework over there I'll mention this whole lecture. Clear? So no need to write right now. Only you have to listen and understand that. Okay. Again, I'm reviewing it. Parts of speech describes how a word is used in a sentence. What is the major function of a word? How we are using grammatically the word in a sentence. Okay. There are 8 parts of speech. Look at that first. Noun. What is a noun? Noun is a naming word. Anything that is having a name, it is a noun. No matter it's a person name, place name, thing name, or any idea, that is a noun. Whenever I'm talking about name of anything, that is now whether it's emotion, expression, whatsoever, that is a noun. Here, table, my hope,
Yes.
any expression of mine, that is noun. Second part of speech is pronoun. A pronoun is used in place of a noun. We use in place of noun the pronoun. For example, when in a sentence one time we already have used noun, the Karachi is a beautiful place. So next time when I'm continuing the sentence in paragraph, I'll be using the pronoun it. Again and again, I will not be using Karachi. There I'll be using pronoun to continue the paragraph more. Is this clear to everyone? So we use pronoun in place of a noun or noun phrase to avoid repetition. Is this clear? If I'm talking about me, or if I'm talking about any student, like 5 red, 5 green students are really intelligent. So again, I won't be saying 5 red, 5 green. I will not present. I won't repeat it. I will say all the students are, they all are. So they over here are pronoun, which I'm using instead of 5 red or 5 green. Clear? So noun is the naming word. Name of anything, it's noun. And pronoun we use in place of noun to avoid repetition, whether in a sentence or in a paragraph. Okay. Verb. Verb shows an action or a state. There are 2 categories of verb. The first one is showing an action. Then we can easily judge that by judging the action, like I'm walking, I'm running, I'm laughing, I'm writing, I'm making something. Here, the action is judged by me. But when I'm not doing action, I'm talking about the state of a person. Like I am a student. You are a university student. They are teachers. So here there is no action. But here is MR is working as a state verb. Stative verb. Is this clear? There are 2 categories of verb. First one is action verb. We call it dynamic. And the second one is stative verb, when there is no action. Okay, our fourth part of speech is adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjective describes more about noun or pronoun, whether the quality, whether the color, quantity, whatsoever. It describes noun or pronoun. For example, red ball. So over here, red is adjective and it is describing the ball. An armchair. So over here, an arm is an adjective and it is describing the chair. Okay? So, huge, giant, enormous, giant, or huge giant. So these all are adjectives. I hope this is clear to you. Adjectives also describe pronoun. For example, Sarah is a good girl. If I'm saying, so I have described Sarah over here, the noun. But then I'll be saying, she is a good girl. Who is a good girl? She. So over here, adjective is describing pronoun. Is this clear? Okay.
Yes.
The fifth, very good, Betin. The fifth part of speech is adverb. Adverb modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. It not only describes the verb, it describes three categories: a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. For example, I run slowly. So here I am describing a verb. 5 green, 5 red students are very intelligent. So here I'm describing, the adverb is describing adjective. Because how are they? They are not intelligent. They are very intelligent. So there is adverb that is describing intelligent. Or another adverb. I run slowly. I run very slowly, extremely slowly. So these all are adverb that is describing an adverb. Preposition. Preposition is a bridge word. It creates relationship. We place preposition before noun or pronoun to create its relationship with other words. So it is working in a sentence as a bridge word. For example, at, on, in, from, with, about. These all are preposition. And whenever we use this in a sentence, it creates relationship. Okay, number 7, conjunction. Conjunction joins two phrases, two clauses, and two sentences together. It joins. It also represents how two sentences are connected to each other. For example, and, but, because. These all are conjunction and it joins phrases, clauses, and sentences. So the major function of conjunction is to join two sentences together. Interjection. It shows expression or a strong emotion. It is like you can say, it is a short exclamation, like hey, ouch, oh, watch out, wow. So all these strong emotion are interjection. I hope these all 8 parts of speech are clear to you. I'll be clearing it more with more examples to you. Okay. Noun. Noun is a naming word. What is that? Naming word. Anything which is having a name, it is noun. No matter, it's all about emotion, expression. If I'm saying like, okay, any idea, that is noun. The name of anything, it could be a noun. Like blue pen, the notes. So over here, notes, pen are noun. There are so many category of noun. We will study in other classes the kinds and different category of noun. Same like that, all the parts of speech are having their kinds, and we will study that more in detail. So today we have done what is a part of speech, and how many parts of speech we do have. The major function of a parts of speech is how a word is used in a sentence, how it functions in a sentence, grammatically how we are using the word in a sentence, what are the meaning and what are the class. So it is described by parts of speech. So how many parts of speech we do have? We have 8 parts of speech: nouns, pronouns, adjectives, verb, adverbs, prepositions, conjunction, and interjections. The first one, noun. Noun is a naming word. It describes like the name of anything. It is a noun, whether emotion, expression, or whatsoever. Any idea, that is noun. Pronoun we use instead of a noun. When we are writing a paragraph, again and again, we cannot use noun. We use pronoun in place of noun. Adjective describes noun or pronoun, both the things. Fourth one, verb. Verb describes 2 things: an action or a state. Speaking, listening, writing, these all are action. And when I'm talking about a state, so at that time, I'm not talking about an action. So it's a stative verb. For example, they are a student. We are teachers. So here, these are stative verb. Adverbs. Adverb describe verb, an adjective or another adverb. Preposition. Preposition shows the relationship. We place preposition before noun or pronoun, and it works as a bridge word to describe the relationship of noun or pronoun with other words. Conjunction. Conjunction join phrases, sentences, and clauses together, and it also shows how the sentences are connected. Interjection. A word or phrases that expresses a strong emotion. Those are interjection. I hope this whole topic is clear to you. So if you're having any query, I'm unmuting right now. Everyone can unmute themselves. If anything is unclear to you, you can ask to me. After that, I'll be guiding you how to use University and how you can submit your file to me through University.
Okay,
Please
miss.
unmute yourself, everyone. And one by one, you have to ask the question. Today, I'll be telling you how to submit your homework through University. Last time, we could not able to do that because of technical issue, but today we'll be doing that. Please unmute yourself.
Yes, Miss,
Everyone.
tell how to upload our assignment on University. I cannot.
Definitely, I'll be doing it, Bete. Definitely. The topic is clear to you all.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, miss.
Want me to check?
So nice. I
Okay.
understood each and everything.
Now, yes, Bete, again repeat, the voice is not clear, my dear.
I understood each and everything. Thank you for great support.
Very good, Bete, very good. Yes, Bete, Janam Tumeri, Kayan, Reja, the topic is clear, Umaira, Bete.
Yes,
Yes, miss.
Very good. Yes, Umaira, Bete, you are the new student. The topic is clear, my dear.
Yes.
Very good, Bete. So how are you feeling right now with your
Miss.
school, my dear?
Good.
Great. Hope you are enjoying. Okay, my dear, welcome to our school. And these all are your classmates. If you're getting any problem, you can ask to us. We are here to resolve the issues.
मिस कल मैं वही वाला इम्बर यूनिवर्सिटी खुला हुआ था तो मेरे पास तो आया नहीं कुछ भी साइंस का मिस ने कहा था साइंस की टीचर ने साइंस का होमवर्क आएगा वो भी नहीं आया हुआ था
Okay, no issue, bete. I'll be telling you how to check the notification. After this, I'll be telling you how to log in, how to check the notification, and how to submit assignment.
Homework of letter.
Okay. Abdullah Farhan, you are joining very late, my dear. The class will end after 5-6 minutes. Okay. Everyone, I'm sharing a screen. So in that, I'll be guiding you how to use the software university.
Okay, miss.
Okay. The screen is clear to you all.
Yes, miss.
Are you able to look at that university login page?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Look at this. I am signing my ID. Look at this. I have signed in university. Look at this bell icon. From here, I can receive all sort of notification of homework. This is my daughter's ID, Batul's ID. So where I'm receiving the notification, over here, this bell icon show me that I got 2 homework of Batul. Look at this. Here it is showing. So here you have to go to check the homework notification. Fine. Then you have to go to homework section. Look at this. This is a homework section. You will click on homework section. After signing in, check the bell icon, how many notification you got. After that, go to homework section. Now, I have opened the homework section. After clicking the homework section, this window will appear. Look at this book. This is the homework. And from here, I can check this search. This is the search. Here you can view what is the homework, which homework teacher is giving you. Look at this. It will show this is the homework with picture, which my daughter got it. So in this manner, you can check which homework you are getting. Fine. And this book icon, here you can click. When you click over here, it will tell you, here you have to upload your assignment. Whatever homework you have done, the picture you can submit through this file. Here, this is the add file option. You will browse. Wherever you save the document in your computer, you can upload from here. And in this manner, you can submit your homework to me. Now I'm signing out. Yes, all the function is clear to you how to log in.
Yes.
Try to
Yes,
unmute
miss.
yourself. Class will be ended after 2-3 minutes. So I want everyone to ask question right now.
Okay.
Unmute yourself and ask the question to me. Please, if anything is unclear, whether the login page or how to submit assignment, please ask the question. Ask about the lecture as well. Yes, Bete Rafe. Again, Bete, you are joining and signing out. The topic is clear to you, Rafi. Bete, I want everyone unmute themselves. Please unmute yourself and ask the question. The topic is clear?
Yes, miss. Topic.
Miss, please.
Very good. We did 2 topics. In writing, we did letter writing. And in grammar, we are doing the first topic, parts of speech.
Miss, what is the homework?
Bete, the first page, the worksheets that I have given you, I hope you have received from the school. So the first page you have to do, I'll be assigning you through University.
Okay, miss, I understand.
Yes, Shahraza, everything clear? All the students? You don't, you
Yes,
don't want
miss.
to ask anything, my dear? Have
Yes,
you
teacher,
all messaged me? Have you all sent message with your name present, teacher?
miss, you can see I send you message on
You
private.
students still did not do that.
Miss, you can check on private. I send you the message on private.
I unmuted everyone. Still, if anyone is mute, please let me know.
Miss, I send you the message, but I send you on private.
Okay, no matter, beta. I'm getting everyone message. Please unmute yourself. I did so. And ask the question. Abdullah beta, Danish, please. Moiz, Asghar, Dania.
मेरा हो नहीं रहा था वो है
Yes, beta. Now, ask the question. Sinan, Rija, any problem, dear?
No, miss.
Amna beta. Amsal,
No. Yes, miss.
everything is clear?
Yes.
Got the topic?
Yes, miss.
Every parts of speech, you got it?
Yes.
Okay, very nice, student. The class time ended. If still you want to ask any question, my Curie timing is 5 to 6 p.m. You can message me in university. I'll be online at that time. I hope you know how to log in and how to check assignment and how to submit assignment to me. Is this clear?
Okay, miss.
Okay, my dear. Allah Hafiz, everyone. Join the next class.
Allah Hafiz, Zainab,
Hafiz, take
plus
care of
good
yourself, my
morning.
dear.
अभी फिर मिलते हैं.
Yes, my dear. Tomorrow, inshallah. Great.
Allah
job.
Hafiz, miss.
Allah Hafiz,
Allah
dear.
Hafiz, हम ना फिर मिलते
Take
हैं.
care of yourself, everyone. Take good care of you and your family. Do pray
Allah
as
Hafiz,
well.
Zainab.
Allah Hafiz.
चलो फिर मिलते हैं.